Here's another sweet Crusader you'll want to check out. 26-foot floor plan, just a little over 8,000 pounds. Couples RV with a rear dining. This is the all-new Crusader, new decals, new look, and with it comes solar as a standard feature. Not only prepped for solar, but it's got solar on the roof. Nice layout with a wardrobe slide out here in the bedroom. Let's take a look around the Crusaders. The all-in-one docking station, evening these nice little 26-foot floor plans now. They're giving you the easy winterization kit, all in a heated enclosed compartment there. Your solar charger controller, showing your solar panels are currently charging. Auto level with memory hitch hike. Easy hookup. Tire pressure monitors are standard features. 50 amp detachable power cord. Taking a look further back, you can see it is equipped with the solar panels and double AC units. So air conditioning, front and back, rear ladder, bumper hitch for a cargo rack or a bike rack, rear mounted spare tire. There's your other living room slide out. So a triple slide out trailer, weighing just over 8,000 pounds. Nice power awning on the front. Huge storage area, easy fold away 3-step stairway, and there's your weight 8608. Beautiful light and bright interiors. Theater seating directly across from your fireplace and your power TV. Lower it to enjoy windows all around. An amazing amount of windows behind your dinette, 3 sides all around that dinette area there. When the TV is down, you've got them both sides. Raise it up at night. Easy pull window shades. Roller retract. Easy access to your under bench storage. U-shaped dinette makes a nice long table. And a nice long bed. So easily sleep an adult on that rear bed. This pantry closet here is unique design here, tucked in beside your theater seating. Lots and lots of storage area. Controls can be either run by the traditional switch style of control, or the iPad will also do the lighting, awning controls, leveling, and slides. Furrion fridge. Nice efficient fridge, giving you full depth of your fridge. Floor to head height. Doors for both fridge and freezer. You never have to decide whether you want freezer at the top or at the bottom. You're never needing to bend down for your popular stuff. Have both freezer and fridge items that you use the most up there where you can reach it the best. Nice tall oven with the double pots and pans drawers. Easy close, soft retract there. Glass oven door. And on the back of the island, you've got some storage there as well. Big bowl sink, 2 draining racks, spray faucet. Three drawers for storage. Now taking a look there, 26-foot floor plan, nice and short and maneuverable, yet lots of living space. And stepping up into your bedroom area, queen bedroom, storage up above and below, and a 3-door shirt closet on the side, slide out, 2 drawers, and tables on each side. Triple glass door shower. Big storage cabinet for linens. Mirror door medicine cabinet and vanity. Great little trailer. It's a new floor plan. The Crusader 26 foot floor plan. Model 260RDD. Rear dinette. Come check out the Crusaders. In stock now at Long Haul in Listowel.